The FAFSA is the key to accessing financial aid for college. FAFSA stands for the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. The FAFSA helps determine your eligibility for grants, loans, and work study. Gather your tax returns, income records, and asset information. Create an FSA ID to log in and complete the FAFSA. The FAFSA covers student details, school choices, and financial information. Provide accurate information and use tools like the IRS data retrieval. Submit your FAFSA and track the status of your application. Review your student aid report and understand your student aid index. Explore the various types of aid available through the FAFSA. Remember to complete the FAFSA annually and meet important deadlines. Be prepared for the verification process and provide any requested documents. Don't delay, complete your FAFSA early for the best aid opportunities.